Toot toot! Chugger's here, ready to turn every day into a learning adventure.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa White Sheep, have you any wool? Yes ma'am, 3 bags full. One for the farmer, one for the cook, one for the baby with the storybook. Baa Baa both sheep, thank you for your wool, so soft and warm, it's wonderful. Hats and scarves for girls and boys, woolly hugs and cozy toys. Baa Baa Black Sheep, Baa Baa White, time to rest, say goodnight, snuggle up, the stars are bright, sleepy dreams and soft moonlight.
Hey kids, come sing with me. Let's go to the ABC Zoo. Whee! So many animals, big and small. Let's learn their names and sounds. All A. Hey, A is for alligator. A, alligator. B is for bear, bear. C is for cat, cat. D is for dolphin, dolphin. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for frog, frog. G is for giraffe, giraffe. H is for hippo, hippo. Come along and sing with me. ABC with animals A to Z. Jump and dance and roar and moo. Learning is fun at the ABC Zoo. I is for iguana, I iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for koala, koala. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for newt, newt. O is for owl, owl. P is for penguin, penguin. Come along and sing with me. ABC with animals A to Z. Jump and dance and roar and moo. Learning is fun at the ABC Zoo. Q is for quail, quail. R is for raccoon, raccoon. S is for snake. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for uriel, uriel. V is for vixen, vixen. W is for wolf, wolf. X is for xerus, xerus. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Rain, go away, come again another day. Teddy wants to go and play. Rain, go away. Rain, not so fun. Bunny wants to see the sun. Jump and play and laugh all day. Rain, go away. Rain, clouds are gray. Dolly wants to play today. She can't ride her bike this way. Rain, go away. Rain, please don't stay. Billy wants to run and play. Come back on another day. Rain, go away.
Let's sing the ABCs with fruits and veggies too. From apple to zucchini, there's so much fun to do. A is for apple, apple. B is for banana, banana. C
veggies, healthy as can be.
Hey, 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 come and play. Let's learn shapes the fun way. Hey, 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 come and play. Let's learn shapes the fun way. Shapes are here, let's sing and smile. Learning shapes is worth your while. I'm a circle, round and neat. I roll around on hands and feet. No sharp corners, I go wee. Come and spin around with me. I'm a square, I'm strong and wide. I have 4 corners, 4 equal sides. Stack me up or draw me fair, you'll always know a perfect square. I'm a triangle, pointy and bright. With 3 sides, I stand just right. 1, 2, 3, that's the key. Count my corners, 1, 2, 3. I'm a rectangle, long and lean, with 2 short sides and 2 between. I'm like a door or a TV screen. Big or small, I'm always seen. I'm an oval, smooth and wide, like an egg or a slide to ride. I'm not round, but close you see. An oval shape is fun like me. I'm a heart, full of love, shaped just right like clouds above. I'm in cards and hugs you send, hearts mean love from end to end. I'm a star, I shine so bright, up in the sky, I twinkle at night. Count my points, there's 1 to 5, stars are sparkly and come alive. I'm a diamond tilted, just so shiny and bright with a lovely glow. You'll find me in kites and rings, I'm a shape that sparkles and sings. I'm a semicircle, half around, flat on bottom, curved all around. Like a rainbow, soft and slow, half a circle's cool, now you know. I've learned each shape by name, let's sing again and play a game. Shapes are fun for every day, let's learn more when we sing and play.
A is for America, eagle flies free. B is for Brazil, by the jungle tree. C is for China, panda so sweet. D is for Denmark, swans we meet. E is for Egypt, with pyramids so high. F is for France, where the roosters cry. G is for Germany, castles and more. H is for Hungary, by the river shore. I is for India, tiger in the sun. J is for Japan, where blossoms run. K is for Kenya, lions play all day. L is for Lebanon, goats jump and play. M is for Mexico, pyramids and pride. N is for Norway, with snow and the slide. O is for Oman, oryx on the sand. P is for Peru, where llamas stand. Q is for Q, our desert winds blow. R is for Russia, with soft falling snow. S is for South Korea, tiger waves hello. T is for Thailand, elephants in a row. U is for the UK, with Big Ben's chime. V is for Vietnam, water buffalo time. W is for Wales, with the dragon red. X is for Xinjiang, where the camels tread. Y is for Yemen, with leopards so shy. Z is for Zimbabwe, waterfalls nearby. Now we've traveled A to Z, learning countries joyfully.
One cookie jumps with a big old grin. Sweet and brown, let's count again. Two cupcakes bounce side by side, swirly tops and frosting white. and jolly. 1, 2, 3. Eat fun fruits in a happy bunch. Wiggle and wobble before their lunch. Nine popcorn cups go pop, 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 flying up and never stop. 10 tiny cookies dance around. With a glass of milk they all sit down. Tally stacks from 1 to 10. Let's go back and count again.
A is for apple, a healthy treat. B is for ball, we kick with our feet. C is for cat, it says meow. D is for dog, let's pet him now. E is for egg, crack it slow. F is for fish, swimming below. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for hat, wear it around. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jam, a berry treat. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for moon, glowing bright. N is for nest, cozy at night. O is for orange, juicy and fun. P is for pig, rolling in the sun. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for raccoon, sneaking around. S is for sun, shining on me. T is for train, chugging with glee. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin, music that plays. W is for watermelon, yummy and pink. X is for X-ray, see your bones, I think. Y is for yak, with fur so thick. Z is for zebra, fast and quick.